Let's create this pulley in the FreeCAD. In this video, you'll learn to use Revolve, Pocket, Polar Pattern, Fillet, and Mirror. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create this line here and create this construction line. This construction line has 15 millimeters of length, and this line here has 15 millimeters because it is the half of this dimension. Okay, so open the FreeCAD, go to front plane, and select a line, a construction line. Make a construction line here with 15 millimeters, and create a line here with 15 millimeters. Okay, and now we will create this line here, this one. Look at this sketch here. Okay, it is similar to this one. We will create this. We will put the dimensions later. Okay, so select polyline, click here in this point, make a line here. Okay, and go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. And now go to dimension, and the distance between this point here and the midpoint is 60 millimeters, the radius here. So select this point, 60 millimeters here. Move this line here a little bit. Okay, and the distance between this line here, this point here, and the midpoint is 20 millimeters, the radius of this diameter. Okay, so it is 20 millimeters. I'll go to dimension again, select this point here, 20 millimeters, the distance here. And the distance between this line here and the midpoint is the radius, 45 millimeters. Select this point, 45 millimeters. And the distance between this line here and this one is 5 millimeters. So select this line here and this one. The distance here is 5 millimeters. We made this one. And now we will create this line and create this arc here and a center line here. Okay, so we'll put the dimensions later, no problem. So select line, click here on this point, make a line here, and go to arc, select the arc from 3 points, click here in this point and click here in this line, in the center line, make an arc here and select a line again, click here in this point and in this point here. And now go to constraints and select horizontal vertical. Select this point and this point here. Select this point and this point here. And this arc here has 12.5 millimeters of radius. So go to dimension, select this arc. The distance here is 12.5 and press OK. We made this profile, so leave the sketch and go to Revolve, and the axis here, select the horizontal axis. We will create this part, the angle 360, and press OK. We made this one. Okay, and now we will create this cut here, this slot. So let's create this. So go select this face and go to create a sketch. And here we have the center slot. The radius here is 32.5 millimeters, and the radius of the slot is 10 millimeters. So go to slot, select arc slot, click here in the midpoint. The radius here is 32.5. Make a slot here. And the radius here is 10 millimeters. Press OK. Active the toggle section view. It is better to see this. Okay. And now we will make two construction lines here for reference, because the angle between the center of this arc and this point here is 60 degrees. So active the construction line type, select line, click here in the midpoint, make a line between the midpoint and this point, and make another line here. And go to dimension. The angle here is 60 degrees. Press OK. And here, go to constraint again, select horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here. Okay. And now leave the sketch. We need to create this cut, so go to pocket and the type here, dimension, the mode one side, the type select through all and press OK. We made this cut here. And now to create the others two slots, go to polar pattern and here select transform two shapes and select add feature. The feature that we want to create is this slot, and the occurrence is 3, and change the axis here, select X axis and press OK. We made this one. And now go to fillet. We need to create a fillet here. In this edge here, the fillet is 1 millimeters. So go to fillet, select this edge here and this one. The radius 1 millimeters and press OK. And now we will create this inside the fillet here. That is 2 millimeters of radius in the slot and in this edge here. Okay. So go to fillet again. And the edge here, select the slot. And select this edge here and this edge here. The radius here 2 millimeters. And press OK. We got a problem here, so let me see how to. Let me remove the slots here from this operation. Make this fillet, okay. And let me try to create a fillet here and a slot. 2 millimeters of radius and press OK. We made this, okay. And now to create the other side, go to mirror. And transform body and the plane here. Select YZ plane and press OK. So that's it. Here we finish your exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.